Hey everyone, Salesforce Shorts here. Today we're just going to talk about the queuable method in Apex Code. So this one is similar to batch and future and schedulable Apex. It's also asynchronous. Also a very powerful tool to improve the performance. One thing to note about queuable is um, don't use this if you need it to perform like real time or immediate processing, because this can take a bit longer. It sort of goes in a sequence of queues, and it can take a while for all of it to finish. You can use system.abort to abort any job. So basically, if you've got a lot of records that you're running through, it'll create different jobs just based on whatever the number of batches is that you need, and then you can abort it through setup. Let's just go to there. If you go to setup and we go to Apex jobs, you should be able to see it over here. Like I've got a queuable method there, and then there's an abort option here, or you can do it through Apex code by using the system.abort job. Another thing about Queueable is it allows you to sort of chain multiple jobs together, and it allows you to perform like a series of related operations. So just got a small little example here, similar to the other ones that we've done before, just updating the account description field. So for Queueable, you just need to add the implements Queueable over there. We've got a constructor here with the account update Queueable class. So inside of this, we've got a list of accounts and a string of new description. So a little difference between this one and future is you can actually use the account object in here, whereas with future you can only use primitive data types. And yeah, we've just got the execute method here, just the basic for loop updating the account description field. So if I go to open anonymous window, let's just make this a little bit bigger. So got a list of accounts, ID, name, description, where the industry is apparel. So we've got a string which is called new description. Let's just make this something else. Let's call this keywords. Okay, and to execute this, we need to use the system.onQueue job and then add in whatever you need to put in here. So we're putting in our method from before, the constructor with the account and new description. So I'm just going to execute that method. Now going back to my account, we've got a description field here, which is new description currently. So if we refresh this, we should see queue worked. All right, cool. And if we go back to the Apex job, we can refresh this. And yeah, as you can see, that completed. So yeah, that's pretty much how this works. If you found this video helpful, please check out our other videos and subscribe to our channel. Thanks.